Welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we will be downloading a top 5 must-have Android app for 2024, and this is a part 2 series. And if you have missed my previous video, or if you want to go check it out, I'll throw a card on the corner. You can go check it out. Those were the top 9 must-have Android app. They are mind-blowing as well. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And all my subscribers, thank you for supporting the channel and obviously help the channel grow faster. Now let's move on. And for disclaimer purpose, this is completely free on Play Store, apart from one app, which I'm going to show at the very last as well. And I'll put in a link in everything in the description below, so you can go check it out and you can just download it. And depending on what reason you leave in, you might be different. So go just search that name of the app and you should be able to get it. And let's move on. Now, number one, it is Zedge. I could be pronouncing wrong, so it's Zedge. So this is the app. You can get it from Play Store, completely free. You must be thinking, what's new about this app? So first of all, it is free. Second of all, it has everything you can ask for: wallpapers, video wallpapers, ringtones, notification sound. So there are a ton of apps out there in the market where you have to download for specifically for AI wallpapers or video wallpapers or ringtones. These are everything built in on it. You can get anything. You can see in the background there's a wallpaper happening, so it's interactive wallpaper. For example, if you want to download any sort of a wallpaper, like a video wallpaper, I have downloaded two, but if I want to download this like matrix style, then you can just press download and there two things pops out. So which is the one is a watch ad and use credit. But if it's for free, then you just press watch ad. But if you want to pay the, like the artist or something like that, you can be more than happy to pay for it. But if you watch ad, 15-second ad triggers on the top, and then on the corner it says granted, you can just download it. So number two, it is a TapScroll. TapScroll, it is a must-have app on your Android. If you have ever used any sort of iOS device, and then the way it scrolls in iOS is completely different than Android. I'm going to demonstrate here what I mean. So I'm going to open, like something in a web just to scroll. So it's more or less about scrolling up and down. So something is loading in the background. I don't know what it is. It's an Australian tax card. If I'm scrolling down here, but if I want to scroll up, what I have to do, I have to scroll with my fingers. But if you have TapScroll installed and activated, I can just tap on the top and it will scroll right to the top for you guys. If you go and the app itself, go into settings and TapScroll, and what do you want to do? Power off the dialer, go to home, recent. So it's just more or less about tweaking on your single tap, double tap, and things like that on the screen itself. So there's again the whole lot of things you can do, but what I've used this one for is just to scroll on top. So I just press once, it will scroll. But if you have a thicker screen protector like what I have, then it will be a bit harder, but you have to tap it harder. It will just scroll right up. Okay, so number three, it is a KDE Connect. So KDE Connect itself, it is one of the best way of connecting your device with a multiple devices. For if you have Mac, Windows, Linux, or anything, if you want to do file transfer, this is the best way. There might be a lot of apps like QuickShare or maybe some different app, but this is an open source. That means you can actually download this one and you can forget about it. So that means you can trust on this developer. So KDE Connect has a lot of things, like you can add device by IP, trust network, refresh, and so it's technically more or less you can pair this device with any other device, and you can do a whole lot of. There are new features coming like notification, things like that. But this is the best app you can install. Again, it's available on Play Store, completely free, and you can go check it out as well. So now let's move on to app number 4, Nova Launcher. So Nova, as you can see, I'm using this similar launcher. So that means if you are using a stock launcher, so that means anything that's like a desktop UI. So this is what you call launcher for. So if you want, you can install a Nova launcher completely free, but there's a paid version as well, which gives you an extra feature like shrinking, making icons smaller. You can rearrange icon, whole lot of things. But anything with the free version will do that, and it is, trust me, it's very fluid. It gives you a feature of like a Pixel devices, so that Pixel has similar UI like in terms of launcher as well, and it has a whole lot of things. You can install a theme in there, you can resize icon, you just tinker around, and you're gonna love this one. So Nova Launcher, it is the must-have launcher on your device, and you can get most of the feature like out of the box. You can round circle and things like that. And number 5, it is a voice GPT. You would not be able to get this on Play Store. The only way you can get it in the link in the description below for you guys, so you can go check it out. It is a GitHub, like a sort of project, and I'd like to thanks to the developer who is working in the background to replace the like a Google feature in your device. This talkback feature, I'm going to give you a demonstration here, so what it is and how it's going to work out. So at first, once you install it, you have to download the app. Obviously, you have to make sure you uncheck that on like a third-party apps to be installed, depending on what device you use. And then once you complete that installation, this is where you're gonna come up with. So once you click on that, it will show you the multiple assistant, or if you have, then select that voice GPT. And then once you do it, you have to sign up or sign in with your Chat GPT account. Now I'm gonna give you a demonstration here. So when you hold it, you can see it's going to trigger. Hi, can you say hi to my subscriber and say something nice to my subscriber and the viewers, please?
Hi there, subscribers and viewers. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Remember, you are awesome and your support means the world. Keep being fantastic.
Thank you. So you can see, so this is a built-in Chat GPT feature on your device and on the go. Actually, it's a, if you have used Gemini feature or not, it's good. Look, not gonna lie, it's good, but it's not intuitive as Chat GPT. And this sums up for the total 5 apps. And by the way, guys, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and smash the like button as well. And this is Genius X6 signing out. Peace.